So at the school's bee yard, it is March 18th, just right after the big blizzard that came through southeast Wyoming. We got about 12 foot of snow, no, 12 inches of snow. But the last 2 days the sun's been out and it's just melting everything. But the winds were blowing 80 miles an hour with the snow blowing. And I'm just showing you that I came out to feed today, but with proper installation and proper care, this is what you end up with after a big storm. Girls working. Right, so you insulate your beehives and you feed them liquid feed on days like this, and you got mass populations like this. Right, you see those entranceways are small, able to guard to keep mice and everything out. Well, look at them coming out to feed. My girls are so happy. Look at this. They're so happy. Just a buzzing around. Hey, babies. These girls are so awesome. Man, I'm really proud of this project. Just goes to show, right? Follow the steps. Do the diligence. And your bees will make it through some really hard times. I'm really happy about this, so I thought I'd show you. I just went ahead and threw some liquid feed. It's 39 degrees out, a little bit of wind blowing, but not too bad. But man, I'm so happy about this and these girls flying. Right? Just do a fondant check real quick while I'm here. Let me grab this with my other hand here. Oh, look, see, they got a little cold and froze at the top, but they're coming up and eating the fondant. So on days where they can't get out, they are eating internal feed that I'm giving them. So make sure that you're using your fondant and your fondant tubes correctly. These quilting boxes are a lifesaver, absorbing moisture and able to feed them from the top. Man, they're awesome. Alright, I'm Michael Jordan with AB Friendly Company. Check us out here on Facebook, YouTube. Check us doing 52 meads in a year, but this is the life of the source right here. We should be getting some good bees this year. Thanks for watching.